Okay, in this problem, you are actually learning about dot products, and dot products a dot product is the cadets, students everywhere confuse it with multiplication. It is not multiplication. There's no such thing as multiplication in vectors. What it is, it takes two vectors and then assigns them to a number, which we call a scalar. So here, the question's kind of strangely worded. So in any word problem, the first step is always to figure out what it is that you're trying to do. So if you go look at this, I just took the 138 quarters. If I wanted the dollar amount, I would have to take 138 and multiply it times 0.25. Well, I know what dot product is. You don't yet. But what is it? It is you take two vectors and you just multiply the components and sum them up. So for example, if I wanted the quarter value, I would take 138 times 0.25. The penny value would be 176 times 0.01. So when I do the dot product of these two vectors, I will get the dollar amount after I sum them up. So that's what was expected, and the answer that was wanted was this guy right here, this vector that you're doing the dot product of. That gives you the one that is the end that's wanted here. And you see that's exactly what they have. They have it in brackets. You have to put it into the same form. And then they want you to compute that dot product. I don't feel like doing the arithmetic today, but it's 53.66 after you add them up. Now, the dot product of two vectors is a number. It's not multiplication. I have a video question for you that's asking you about this. It's really super important that you understand that the dot product is taking two vectors. These are two four-dimensional vectors, and then when you dot product those two vectors, you get a resultant number, or a result of a number. So if you're in my class, you have a video question that goes with that question that we just completed.